In this video, you will learn how to set up the DLinkVR AirBridge. The DLinkVR AirBridge makes a dedicated Wi-Fi 6 connection between your Meta Quest 2 headset and your VR-ready PC. Before starting the setup, ensure that your gaming PC is wired to your internet and the wireless is disabled on your PC. Visit the Meta website for a full list of specifications to make sure your gaming PC meets the minimum requirements, with the additional requirement of one USB 3.0 port. Installing the VR AirBridge. Plug your VR AirBridge into a USB 3 port on your PC. The blue light on VR AirBridge should start flashing after a few seconds. However, the blue light will stop flashing after the VR AirBridge network is connected. Tip: for best results, keep the VR AirBridge vertical using its stand at desk height and in line of sight of your headset. Installing Oculus software on your gaming PC. If you already have the Oculus app installed on your gaming PC, ensure you are running the most recent version. If not, download and install the latest version from oculus.com/setup on your gaming PC. Follow the instructions to create your account and set up your profile. Open the Oculus Desktop app on your gaming PC. You should see a VR AirBridge Setup pop-up window when you open the Oculus app. If not, please go to the menu on the left and select Devices. From there, you will see Set up VR AirBridge. Click that, and then click Continue from the VR AirBridge Setup pop-up window. You will be prompted to create a password for your VR AirBridge network. When you're finished, click Continue. Next, you should see a status page that says Preparing to Connect. Once VR AirBridge is ready, you'll be prompted to put on your headset. Next, put on your headset to complete the in-headset instructions. Go to the Wi-Fi setting and search for the available Wi-Fi connections. Select VR AirBridge and enter the password you created when setting up your VR AirBridge. Once connected, your PC will show VR AirBridge setup complete. Click Done. AirLink with VR AirBridge. You are now ready to enable AirLink. Click on the Quest Link section. The Quest Link menu will open. Keep Use AirLink checked and then select VR AirBridge from the list of available PCs. Select Pair. Wait a few seconds, then when the Pair button changes to Launch, select it. Once AirLink is launched, you will see the Oculus dashboard. From here, you can select any game in your library or search the Rift store to buy and play Rift content. You can also open games from the Oculus PC app library and launch games directly from your PC. If your software version is not V46, the setting panel may be different. Setup is complete. We hope you enjoy your VR AirBridge. If you're having trouble setting up or using your VR AirBridge, start by reviewing some basic troubleshooting measures from the link shown here. You can also find answers to the questions we get most about VR AirBridge from the link shown here.